Slide 1. Did the pig vaccine actually work? In this short science story, we are going to learn how scientists use a math test called chi-square to decide whether a result looks real or whether it might just be luck. Slide 2. Imagine you run a pig farm. You love your pigs, but every year a yucky pig flu sweeps through the barn and a bunch of pigs get sick. Then a scientist hands you a new vaccine and says, "Try this. I think it works." So your big question is, does this vaccine really help? Or did the vaccinated pigs just get lucky? Slide 3. To test the vaccine, we split the pigs into two groups. Group A gets the vaccine. 100 piglets get a tiny shot of the new vaccine. Group B does not get the vaccine. 100 piglets get a fake shot, just salty water. The two groups should be as similar as possible. Same age, same barn, same food. The only difference should be the vaccine.
Slide 7. Now let's see how chi-square works, step by step. First, look at each box in the table. Second, subtract what we expected from what we saw. Third, square the answer so negative numbers become positive. Fourth, divide by what we expected to keep the comparison fair. Fifth, add up all four numbers. That total is the chi-square score. The formula looks fancy, but the idea is simple. How far away was what we saw from what we expected? Now we plug in our pig numbers. For each box, we compare the number we saw to the number we expected. When we do the subtraction, square the answers, divide by the expected numbers, and add all four results, we get a chi-square score of about 19.8. A bigger chi-square number means the saw and expected numbers are far apart. But is 19.8 big enough to matter? Scientists use a rule book for this kind of table. For our 2x2 pig table, if chi-square is bigger than about 3.84, the difference is probably not just luck. Our answer was 19.8, which is way past the luck line. So the verdict is, this almost certainly is not just luck. The vaccine group really did get